Hello guys, today I am going to unbox the Philips multi-groom trimmer. So let's begin. Now I have with me the Philips MG3747 multi-groom trimmer, which I got at a price of 1600 approximately. The primary things which the company claims with this product are: you get a runtime of 70 minutes, the attachments are rinsable, and the combs are impact resistant. And on top of it, you get a 2-year warranty. Items present inside this box were a metal trimmer, nose and ear trimmer, body comb 3 mm, hair combs 9 to 16 mm, stubble combs 1 and 2 mm, adjustable beard comb 3 to 7 mm, and a storage pouch. We also get an extra 1-year warranty if we go on the Philips website and register our new trimmer. Thanks for watching guys. If you have liked the video, hit on the like button and don't forget to subscribe.